Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is a quick rules explainer for the game Seaside, a run through of the rules in just 3 minutes so you can start playing straight away. Let's dive right in. Seaside is a collection game that promises it can be played anywhere, even on the beach in wet conditions. It consists of a bag with 70 tokens. You get to create your own seaside filled with all the treasures that the sea brings you. At the end of the game, you stack all the tokens on your seaside and the player with the highest stack of tokens wins the game. The play field consists of a seaside in front of each player and the sea in the middle between the players. Tokens with the white design are placed on your seaside, tokens with a blue design are thrown into the sea. On your turn, you draw a token from the bag and look at both sides. Don't show it to the other players. Decide which side you want to use and then place the token on your beach or in the sea. It cannot be flipped during the game, so decide carefully. Each piece has its own effect. Once you executed that effect, it's the next player's turn. The isopod, shell and crab all belong in the sea. Place them in the middle and draw a new token immediately. The sandpiper is always looking for isopods. Add the sandpiper to your seaside. Take as many isopods from the sea as you like and stack them under the sandpiper like this. But beware, only the highest stack stays. All other stacks of sandpipers are discarded. Only if the stacks have the same number of tokens, you can keep them both. The beach is a treasure trove of shells. Place the beach token on your seaside and count the number of beaches on your side. Take that many seashells from the sea if they are available and stack them with the other shells. The waves wash on the beach. Add the wave to your seaside and flip one of your beaches, if you have any. You can look at them before flipping. Execute the effect as if you had drawn it from the bag. Rocks are ideal hiding places for crabs, but rocks only work in pairs. Add the rock to your seaside, and if it is the second rock, add all the crabs from the sea plus one that you can steal from one of the other players. Also, the 4th, 6th and 8th rock on your seaside is a hiding place for crabs. Take all the crabs from the ocean, steal one from another player and put them under the rocks. The game ends when the bag is empty. The player with the most waves takes all the remaining tokens from the sea and adds them to their seaside. Stack all the tokens from your seaside and the player with the highest stack wins the game. Now you are ready to start playing or play again. Subscribe so you can find us again for the next time. Good luck and game on!